Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about using ray tracing in Minecraft on PS5. First, it's important to understand that native ray tracing is not currently supported on the PlayStation 5 version of Minecraft. Even though the PS5 is powerful hardware, the console edition of Minecraft does not include an official ray tracing toggle like the Windows RTX version does. Ray tracing in Minecraft is officially available only on compatible Windows PCs with supported NVIDIA RTX graphics cards. On PS5, you cannot enable true ray-traced lighting, reflections, or shadows through any in-game setting. If you see videos claiming there's a hidden option on PS5, those are usually misleading. However, there are still ways to improve visuals on PS5. Make sure you're running the latest version of Minecraft by checking for updates in your console menu. You can also enable high-quality texture packs from the Minecraft Marketplace to enhance lighting effects, shadows, and overall detail. While this is not true ray tracing, some texture packs are designed to simulate improved lighting for a more realistic look. Another tip is to play on a 4K TV with HDR enabled. Go to your PS5 settings, open Screen and Video, and confirm that resolution and HDR are properly configured. This won't add ray tracing, but it will significantly improve brightness, contrast, and color depth. If you truly want official ray tracing, the only current option is to play Minecraft for Windows on a compatible RTX PC. For now, PS5 players can enhance visuals with texture packs and display settings, but full ray tracing support has not been released on the console version. Subscribe the channel for more videos.